There's so much lightning, I don't understand why there's so much lightning. Oh my god. I'm looking at the sky now. Non-stop lightning. I don't understand. I've never seen anything like this before. It's non-stop. Oh god, there's so much. It's so bright. It's every 3 seconds. It's lightning every 3 seconds. The rain is stopping. But the lightning's going on. Oh my god. It's not making any noise. It's still going. Oh my god. Oh. Shit. My god. It's made my balloon come on. My balloon come on its own. That was so bright that it charged up my solar balloon a little bit. It's still going. Oh my. It makes no noise. None. I've never seen silent lightning before that goes on and on and on. Oh, I heard a noise that time. That's like the noise when it started. That's not a normal noise. It's rolling thunder, it won't stop. Stop now. Oh god. Oh god. It makes no noise. Why does it make no noise? Oh my god. It sounded like a roaring train. This is the scariest storm I've ever been in. There it is again from over that side again. It's getting ready to go again. I knew it was. Oh god, please don't let it strike me. Don't let it strike me. Is it gone now? Oh my god, no. We don't hear the lightning, it makes no sound. It's lightning that makes no sound. It's going again. All the way across the sky. Now it's up there. Listen. Can you hear that? Oh my god. I can still hear the rumble. The rumble's stopped now. Come on, no more. No more now, please. No more. I want no more lightning. You stop now. Oh, okay. I won't give orders then. I won't give orders. It just goes on and on. We're at 17.5 minutes now. That's not when it started either. It's been going for 20 minutes or so. Let's set the balloon off again. My balloon's going again. It's close, it's only 3 miles. Oh! Oh! Ow! Oh my eye! Oh my god, that was so bright. And that thunder goes from left to right again. Oh my god. It feels like it must stop soon. Oh! Oh my god. That's very close. I want that to end now. It has done it enough. We've made enough now. I don't think it likes being told to stop.